what? I'm gonna be late. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's a taxi. Oh, there's a taxi. Hello there, taxi. How are we going? To the airport, to the taxi man. Okay. See this? Okay. I'll give you $100. Okay. Oh, here you go, sir. I got airport. Thank you, sir. Oh, a Redwood Airport. And show this drop the language here. And this. Ah, yes. Oh, green line. Green Airlines. A GL 3328. There's someone. Yeah. I'm going to sit.
Attention passengers, the security check. The Green Airline GL 338 of America. Please check on your for 20 minutes.
Oh, come on, yes. Okay. Well, I have to go now. So. I'm going to sit. Nice.
Attention passenger, the Green Airline GL 338 is like United States of English. United States of America. Please, Green Airlines GL 338. Okay? Bye. Thank you. Attention passenger, please sounds like the bird is from the engine. He's jumped off the aircraft. of the me from the okay.
Okay. Again, let's. Oh man, it's too high. And he is. It's water. Oh, I can see. Yeah. Oh, checkpoint. How are you? What's that? Taxi. Taxi. That's so good. Put the bag here. I'm going to watch TV. Let's play Roblox Studio. Yeah, computer, laptop. Yeah.